TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Aysen, and today we're diving into one of the most powerful platforms of our time, TikTok. Have you ever wondered how TikTok becomes so famous? Or how regular people just you and me are building brands, making money, and going viral overnight? Stick around because this story might just inspire you to start your own TikTok journey. From lip syncs to global fame, it all started in 2016 when a Chinese company called ByteDance launched a short form video app called Douyin in China. A year later, they released it globally as TikTok. But the real game changer. In 2018, TikTok merged with musical.ly and suddenly millions of users, especially teens, had a new stage to show off their activity. In just a few years, TikTok became more than an app, it became a cultural movement. How TikTok helps people build brands and make money. Here's why TikTok is different from every other platform. You don't need followers to go viral. The For You page is powered by smart algorithms that promote good content, even for brand new creators. It's a place where anyone can become a brand. Let me tell you a real story. Sarah, a small town makeup artist, posted a quick transformation video using a trending sound. It got 2 million views. In just a few weeks, she built a loyal audience, landed brand deals, and even launched her own beauty products. Just like that, a side hobby became a full time business. How creators make money on TikTok? Brand deals and sponsorships, affiliate links, TikTok Creator Fund, TikTok Live and gifts, selling products via TikTok Shop, offering services like coaching or classes. Well, why TikTok take over the world? It's fun, fast, and addictive. You can start with just a phone and an idea. It turns attention into influence and influence into income. So, if you're a creator, entrepreneur, or just someone with a story to share, TikTok could be your next big opportunity. And if you're thinking, I'm too late, you're not. The best time to start was yesterday. And the second best time is today. Let me know in the comment if you've tried TikTok or if you're planning to start. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories like this. I'm Aysen and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.